Even though the Samsung Galaxy S26 series debut is still over 3 months away, leaks and rumors have begun circulating this week. New enhancements are also included in these leaks. Here's your first glance at all the latest rumors regarding the upcoming major Samsung product. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's flagship device for next year, will have 25-watt wireless charging, according to a claim from the Korean website ET News. If accurate, this represents the most significant advancement in wireless charging for a Samsung phone since the S20 series. An industry insider reportedly informed ET News that next year's models will have faster wireless charging than the previous S25 series, which enabled 15-watt wireless charging across all models. As previously stated, a plethora of S26 leaks surfaced this week, providing a startling amount of information regarding Samsung's upcoming smartphones. First, it was rumored that the cancellation of the S26 Edge caused Samsung to postpone its customary January launch window to March. According to a different Korean newspaper, Samsung overcome the delay, and January is now back on the schedule. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 in late January 2026 and begin selling the phones in the lineup in February 2026, according to a report from Chosen Biz. Additionally, it says that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 CPU would be used in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Ordinary leaker from Samsung. All three S26 models' potential dimensions and display sizes are shared by ICE Universe. The screens have different sizes of 6.3, 6.7, and 6.9 inches. All three phones are marginally broader and taller than their predecessors overall. Additionally, they are little smaller overall, losing roughly 0.25 millimeters. According to leaker Universe ICE on X, a wider front-facing camera cutout that may be around 4 millimeters wide is the most recent rumored modification on the forthcoming Galaxy phone. A 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto will all be included in the phone. The LPDDR5X RAM that Samsung is anticipated to include in the Galaxy S26 series has been made public by leaker ICE Universe. The Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra will begin with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM operating at 10.7 GB per second, according to the leaker. As of right now, this is the quickest LPDDR5X memory specification available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.